my fucking God. I'm gonna be out there in like 2 minutes.
So how we doing today, folks? We good? Let me ask you a question. Y'all in a good mood
I'm ready to
today?
go.
Well, that's good, because I got a good one for you. Today. Look, I think you know I'm all about helping people find love, but face it, some people just have no tact at all. None. I mean, in fact, that's pretty much why I vowed to help the worst daters across America. And so far, we done hit everywhere from Pennsylvania to Texas, Florida, California. Well, today, we're going to Oregon, the Great West, where there's this one woman's take-charge attitude is wrecking her dating life. We're going to see if we can't help her out a little bit. Then it's a remarkable story about some bravery, folks.